Welcome to online lecture series, computational methods using Matlab. So, this is the fourth lecture in the series of Matlab course. So, in this fourth lecture, we will discuss about variables, how to declare the variables, then we will discuss about vectors. So, okay, then continuation to matrix in Matlab. So, we will discuss one by one concepts. So, now coming to variables. Now, what is variable in Matlab programming? In Matlab environment, every variable in a array or a matrix. So, default each and every variable is a matrix, or simply call it as array or matrix, then no problem. You can assign variables in a simple way. For example, x equals to 3. Suppose if you want to assign some number or character or string, whatever it may be, to some variable. So, x equals to 3 percentile, this is nothing but comment box, comment line. So, defining x and initializing it with a value. Okay, I will show you in the software. Suppose if you assign x equals to 3. So, we assign the number, integer or float, whatever it may be, then no problem, no need to declare the type of the variable. Just simply assign the value, you will get the value. Suppose if you write semicolon at the end, then what happened? So, it executed, but no output display. Now, we are not getting any output display. If you want the output, simply press X. Already we discussed in the earlier class all the variables and how to know the variable, who apply the command who, and clear and deleting one variable in workspace, everything already we discussed. Now, coming to how to define a variable. Now, this is a very important. Please note the following for naming variables. So, default, suppose if you give some value 3 to x, it is stored in 1 by 1 matrix. Okay, already we discussed it in our last class. So, all constants and variables are matrices, nothing but arrays, one dimensional or two dimensional, then depending on the situation. So, variable names consisting of a letter followed by any number of letters, digits, underscore, and etc. So, then what is the meaning? Suppose if you write, okay, I will clear the screen, CLC, okay, sorry, CLC. So, if you write X or any character, capital letter and lowercase or uppercase alphabet, then followed by letters or followed by numbers, we can assign followed by letters or followed by numbers. Okay, then what happened? Okay, I will give 4f equals to 67. Now, 67 is assigned to some variable f. Suppose if you want to give name equals to KVN, my name, okay, wait, under single quote only, string. KVN is a string under single quote. So, KVN is assigned, the name assigned to variable name is name or any one. Okay. So, we can write what is the variable, starting with one alphabet followed by alphabets, or okay, I will give you another example, F12 equals to 78. So, we can give first some alphabet, then write numbers also, any number of numbers. So, we are assigned 78 to this variable name. This is called variable name. Okay. Now, one more very important point. F underscore KV equals to 90. So, underscore is also acceptable after one alphabet or one character. So, we can write anywhere f1 underscore k, so equals to some 0. Okay, we can underscore is also acceptable, but we are starting with some alphabet. Okay, another very important point. Okay, j dot k equals to 3. So, this is not acceptable. Dot, don't use dot. Dot denotes another name. Okay, we will discuss later in our later classes. So, don't use dot in the variable name. Okay, at this moment. Now, coming to, it is case sensitive. Suppose I will give a equals to 1. Okay, capital A equals to string kvn. Okay, then no problem. So, what is small a? A is 1. Then what is capital A? Capital A is kvn. So, small a variable is different from capital A. So, it is case sensitive. Case sensitive. Now, observe. So, Matlab is case sensitive. So, uppercase letters are different from lowercase letters. Suppose if you want to find variable name can be of any length. However, what is the maximum length? What is the maximum length? So, maximum length is also fixed. Okay, suppose if you want to find the name length max, okay, just type it. So, we can give 63 characters in variable name. Okay, maximum 63, not beyond 63. So, already we discussed. Now, when an expression returns a result that it is not assigned to any variable, the system assigned it is variable as ans. Okay, we will discuss later. Suppose if you are not assigned any name, okay, I will show you S Q R T. Suppose if you give x equals to square root of some 3, then what happen? You will get x value x equals to 1.732. Suppose if you are not assigning any variable, just we are calculated with the value, you will get the default variable is ans. Ans is the answer of the previous result. Here we are not assigned any variable, that is why you got ans. That is the next point. This is the last. When an expression return a result that it is not assigned to any variable, the system assign it to a variable name as ans, which can be used later. After sometimes we can use, already we discussed, and also we can assign multiple variables. Already we discussed in our last class. CLC, clear screen. So, x equals to 1 semicolon, y equals to 2 semicolon, z equals to 3 semicolon, but it executed, but it does not give any output. Suppose if you want x, then type x. Suppose y, okay, y. Suppose if you want z value, z, you will get the value. Suppose instead of semicolon, if you use comma, what happened? Between two assignments, then what happen? It executes and also immediately it gives output. If you give semicolon, suppress the output. So, if you give comma between the variable assignments, directly you will get the output. Now, this is about variable concept. This is about variable concept. Now, we will discuss about the first exercise on this concept. So, what are the discussed concepts? Arithmetical operators, some relational operators are also discussed, some logical operators are also discussed, suppressing output is nothing but semicolon is also discussed, built-in function is also discussed, and how to give variable names. Already all these things are discussed. Now this is the first exercise on Matlab. Then what about the output? Okay, solution or Matlab code. Okay, I will write you always use capital letter Matlab, then code or command, then no problem. So, first we will discuss this value. What is the Matlab code? First we will discuss about the Matlab code on this whiteboard, then go to the program. Okay. Now first question is, so what is the solution? 2 power 5. So what is how to calculate the value? Just compute the value using mathematical operators. First one is 2 power nothing but caret 5, then divided by use divided by symbol, then for denominator starting bracket 2 power 5 caret 5 minus 1, then closing bracket. Now what is the value? This is the code, Matlab command for evaluating the first value. Okay, now I will copy this value, this code in the software. We will evaluate the value. Okay, right. Okay. Now answer is 1.0323 is the answer. Just copy the value. Before this one. Okay, this is the output. Now coming to, so I will write more in different way. Output. So in the similar way, you can write the record also, output. Okay, I will write somewhere. Okay, output. Then output is this one. This is for first question. And also, so we have one more question. How to find this value? Now coming to code, again code. First open bracket 1. This is code. Okay, I will write second value. I will write here, and open bracket 1 minus 1 divided by, now observe, so we have two types of divisions, right division and left division. So here 1 divided by 2 power 5, 2 power 5, now closing bracket, then caret bracket in bracket write minus 1. So that's why you will get whole power minus 1. Okay, then what happened? Now coming to software, what is the value? So you will get the same answer. So mathematically you will get the same answer. So what is your conclusion here? So both are same, and this one. So conclusion, both the values are equal. Okay, this is the conclusion for the first question. Okay, I will write somewhere. Okay, equal. Now coming to second question, then evaluate this one. Okay, I will write the Matlab code. Okay, first Matlab code for second one. Now this is 3, write 3. Okay, then multiplying, use caret symbol. So we have numerator and denominator. In numerator starting with bracket SQRT, square root of 5. So the square root of 5, closing bracket minus 1. Okay. Again numerator is closed, so that is why I am closing the bracket, divided by open bracket sqrt of 5 plus 1. So, then denominator power caret 2. So, this value is totally calculated. Okay, I will write under some brackets, because I will subtract the value with minus 1. Okay. This is the code. Output. What is the output? Now go to. So, what is the meaning? So, our Matlab as a calculator, that is why we are calculating the value. This is the first concept. So, you will get some value minus. If you want copy both, then no problem. Answer equals to this one. So, now reduce the gap, okay, just for space problem. So, this is first question, very simple. Now, this is the Matlab code. Then output for first question and output for second question. Okay, you may write any fashion, then no problem. This is about first question. Now, coming to second question. Okay. Okay, sorry. Calculate the following quantities using built-in functions. Using built-in functions in Matlab program. So, okay, this is first bit. This is first bit. Okay. Matlab code. Matlab code or whatever. First question. Okay. First question, Matlab code. What is the Matlab code? EXP of 3. Okay, use only small letter, not in capital letter. EXP of 3. So, you will get e power 3. Okay. So, output, just type this one in Matlab software. You will get EXP of 3. So, your answer is 20 point some value. Now, second, next log. So, so default, this is not ln is nothing but log base e. So, default log of exp. So, e cube already we discussed 3. Just type. So, this is small l, not big L. Okay, log. Sorry. log. Then what about the value? So, this value is 3 because log and e both are opposite functions. That's why you will get e. Okay. Now, coming to log base 10. Now, next one is log base 10. How to write log base 10? log base 10 means log 10. Okay. Only small letters. log base 10. Then 10 power 5. 10 caret 5. You may use power function also, okay, don't worry, no need to write. Now what is the value? Coming to software, so answer is 5. Okay. In this fashion you can write the record also. Okay. This is about first question. Now coming to second question. What is the second question? What is the second question? E power pi into, so I will write here E means exp of, not capital letter, okay, exp of pi, pi means pi into, use asterisk symbol for multiplication, sqrt for square root of 163. Now double bracket, now verify the number of brackets, okay, I will calculate the value. So this value is, you will get some value. Just we don't know, we are observing, just we are calculating, not the. Now coming to third question. Okay, I will write something about, I will write the question also. Solve this question, okay, initially, because we are in the initial stage, so no need to write the big programs or big script files, just only for understanding I am writing. Now observe this one. How to solve this problem? Mathematically 3 power x equals to 17. Take logarithms on both sides. Okay, you may use log base e or base 10, then no problem, log 17. Then what is the value? Okay, I will write this one. X into log 3 equals to log 17. So x equals to log 17 by log 3. Okay, you may use any base, then no problem. Then what about the math code? What is the math code? What is the math code for this one? Okay, I will give x equals to, okay, I will assign small letter, x equals to, so bracket log 17, then okay, divided by, you may use, no need to write bracket, not required. Then I will give, we want the output, that's why I am not writing the semicolon at the end. CLC, okay, somewhere it is mistake. What happened? Okay, what is the mistake here? Okay, what is the mistake here? Log of 17. So function you should be write in brackets, otherwise you will get an error. Okay, I will copy this one. Okay, that's why this is not unrecognized code. So usually we are writing in mathematics in this fashion, that's why you will get an error. So you will get x equals to, so here we are using variable concept. So x equals to, so x in the previous expressions we are calculating, that's why you will get the answer with ANS. Now here we are calculating the x value, that's why you will get x. Okay. Now this is about second exercise question, very interesting. Now coming to third. Right. Now coming to Matlab code. First question. Okay. Now what is the answer? What is the answer? Okay, sine pi by 6. So use sine pi, use pi 1 by 6. You will get the sine pi value, sine pi by 6, pi by 6 value. Okay, I will don't use capital letter because this is word. Default you are getting the capital letter. Okay, don't write sine pi closing bracket, then answer is 0. Sine 30 degrees values. Okay, answer is, okay, I will reduce the space. Okay, now coming to cos, COS, cos pi means pi of 1. Very simple. Now then we will find the value cos pi. So that value cos pi is -1, you will get the answer. Okay, you will get the answer. Okay, next tan pi by 2. Use tan pi, pi by 2 is nothing but 1 by 2. Okay, I will use this command for finding tan pi by 2. Tan 90 degrees is, what is the value? Guess it. Before that, tan pi by 2 is nothing but infinity. That's why you will get some unrecognized tan. Okay, I will write again here. So tan pi by 2 is infinity. That's why it asks pi by 2 or like that, not like that. Okay. So then what happened? How to find tan pi by 2? You will get an error. Okay. So use tan. Okay. In this particular instant, use pi by 2. You will get some value, bigger value. That's why I am using this command. Actually, you will get undefined quantity. Okay. If you use this quantity, you will get an error, unrecognized error. So this is, I will write here, error, error or unrecognized function. Okay. Okay, I will write here. Just for a comment line, I will write percentile symbol, just only for understanding. Okay, suppose if you want to find CLC, clear, tan pi of 1, tan pi. So tan pi is not recognized our software. Tan pi is not recognizing our software. So some of the versions not supporting tan pi function. Okay. Okay. We will see help tan pi. Then what happened? Okay, we will see what happened. What you will get. Right. Tan pi is not found in this particular version. So you may use, okay, you may use tan of pi. So don't use this one, CLC. This version is not recognizing our function. Okay, then no problem. Tan of pi is not recognized. Sin of pi is recognizing. Cos of pi is also recognizing. Now coming to second question. Okay. Second question. Okay, I will write in some. What is the question? Sin square pi by 6, cos square pi by 6. What is the value? Okay, what is the question? Sin pi by 6, that is 1 by 6. Okay, sin pi by 6 whole square. So use bracket, then caret 2 is nothing but sin pi by 6, not 16 here, sin pi by 6, sin square pi by 6, in the similar way cos. Okay, I will write. So just I will replace it by cos. Okay, cos. Okay, use small letters, otherwise you will get an error. COS, cos. So then we will evaluate this value, sin square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 6. So what is the value? Guess it before finding the value. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1, whatever it may be, theta is any value. So mathematically it is 1. Mathematically it is 1. Okay, fine. So now coming to third question. So what is the question? I will copy the question just for understanding. Okay, third question. Matlab code. Okay. What is the question? Calculate the y value when x equals to 32 pi. Okay, first assign x equals to 32 into pi. Okay. Okay, I will use semicolon. So x value is not required, that's why I am using semicolon. First I will type this equation, then we will find y equals to cos h of x. X is already assigned, whole square. Okay, I will use bracket, power 2 minus, again in the similar way, sin h hyperbolic function of x. Okay, fine, caret 2 whole square 2. Okay, then we will find y value, what happened. Okay, I will copy one by one, okay, in command window. So if you write in the script file, then it is very easy, directly you can copy both the values at a time, but here copy one by one values, better. So without confusion you will get the value. So y equals to 0. What is the meaning? Cos square h minus sin square h, just if you calculate the value, you will get y equals to 0. Okay, mathematically just verify it, you will get the same answer. This is output. Okay, every time this one output. Okay, I am not writing, but every time you are right, output. So 3 questions are completed. Now coming to 4th question. Now compute the values one by one. First, Matlab code. Okay. So the value is 1 plus 3i. I is no need to multiply. Okay, simply use this one. Okay, I will write in brackets. Okay, division 1 minus 3i. Okay, then what happened? We will check it. We will check it in the software. I is nothing but square root of minus 1. CLC. So, you will get the value, simplified value is this one, output. This is first question. Now, in the similar way, second question. Okay. What is the value? Now, find out e power I pi by 6 and compare both the values. Okay, I will write both the codes, exp e power I into pi by 4. Okay. So, write this is small e, then we will calculate the value. Okay. So, you will get some value, just copy the value in our software, okay, in our record. Now, this one cos COS pi of 1 by 4 plus I into means you may use better, use sign without confusion, pi by 1 by 4. Okay, I will calculate the value using Matlab software. So, you will get the same answer. So, what is our conclusion here? Both the answers are same. Conclusion, both values are equal. Okay. Now, coming to third one, execute the command. Now, this one, what is our, so here command is directly given in third question. Okay. Okay, I will write 3. I will write here Matlab code. Okay, I will calculate both the values. Then finally, I will explain what is the difference between these two. Very, very important point. Okay, we will discuss one by one. Okay. So, what is our observation? 2i. Okay, not required, equal to is not required. CLC. So, cos pi by 2i, the value is 1i. Okay. Right. Answer. Okay, I will write in the next page better. Now, what about this value? Okay, what happened? Surprisingly, you will get different answer. So, what happened? What is the difference here? Okay, I will explain here. Okay. So, what is our observation? So, okay, I will write in words. E power pi by 2 into I. See here, using mod mass rule or hierarchy, first division then multiplication. So this is e power pi by 2 is nothing but cos pi by 2 plus I sin pi by 2. So cos pi by 2 is 0, sin pi by 2 is 1. That's why you will get this value. Here e power pi by 2i. So 2i is nothing but no need to use star. If you use star, then you will get the wrong answer. What happened? This is nothing but multiply and divide with pi by, if you multiply and I on both sides, I square is minus 1, you will get this one, cos pi by 2 minus I sin pi by 2. So this value is 1 minus I. That's why you will get this answer. So if you want to write any complex number, no need to write asterisk. This is not required. Simply write 2i, 3i, 4i like that only. No need to write into I. So sometimes it may leads to wrong answer. You will get wrong value. Okay, this is the best example for false answer. So this is our conclusion remarks. What is our observation? So both are different. Conclusion is both are different. Now coming to fifth question. Okay, wait. Okay, we will discuss all the questions one by one. So now coming to find the simple interest using the formula I equals to PNR by 100. Very simple question. So P value is given, Q value is also, N value is given, R value is given. So Matlab code, very simple. So I will use semicolon between the two variables. So output is not required, that's why I am not writing. So if you want to write in the script file, you can directly type the value, then no problem. Okay, in this situation we will write one by one code. I equals to, so P into means asterisk. Suppose if you write without asterisk, then PNR is treated as a single variable. So here P is different variable, N is different variable, R is different variable. No need to write the percentage symbol. So write R, okay, divided by 100. Then you will get directly, you will get the answer. Okay, I will type on the software. So suppress the output. No output is not required here. Okay, now coming to I value. Okay. Okay, software. Now interest, I equals to some simple interest, directly you will get the value. Very easy. Okay, wait. Output. So directly you will get the answer. Very simple question. Also find the total. Suppose if you want to find the total, what is the procedure? TOTAL total equals to principal amount plus I. Principal amount plus I. Now write this value, you will get the output. And also find the, already the previous values are stored in over the, so you will get the total. Okay. Right. Okay. Okay. So this is very simple question. Fifth question is also very simple. Now sixth question. Now compound interest, whatever it may be, whether it is simple interest or compound interest, same procedure, formula is different. Okay. Now write PNR Okay, I will use semicolon, but you can also use commas, then no problem. Suppose if you use commas, you will get the output, immediately you will get the output of P and R, then it will leads unnecessary outputs. So, P into, so write P into 1 plus R, use the same variables, whether it is same capital letter or small letters, use the same, okay. I will use the same, and also find the interest. Interest, okay, I will write interest also. Interest equals to total amount minus principal amount. Okay, total amount minus principal amount, you will get the interest. Okay, I will find the values one by one. CLC. Okay. So executed, but not no display. Display is not required. Then write A. Okay. So directly you will get A value. Okay, then no problem. Directly copy this one. This is the output. Then interest. Okay, write interest. So interest equals to this one. So this is sixth question is also very easy. Now coming to seventh question. Okay. Find the area of the circle with radius r equals to, okay, Matlab code. What is the Matlab code? First, r value. Give r equals to, okay, I will write smaller case, pi power 1 by 3, okay, use bracket, 1 by 3 minus 1, area equals to formula. What is the formula? Pi r square, pi into r square, pi r square. Okay, directly you will get the answer. Okay, r is not required, just why I am using semicolon. Okay, I will use one by one. Okay, CLC. R, okay, output is not required, just why I am not using. Area equals to area, directly you will get the R answer. Area equals to, okay, just check it manually, then you will get the answer. Very simple question. Now coming to eighth question. This is also very simple. Find the value of the function at x equals to 2020. Very simple Matlab code. Very easy. So x value, don't give, output is not required, that's why I am using this one. Now type this equation. Okay, I will type this equation. So power, in place of power I will use caret 3. Okay, so okay, I will change it, x caret 3 minus 3 into, into means asterisk x, otherwise you will get an error. Okay, we will calculate the value. Very simple. CLC. Okay, x value is initiated but no display, and find the f value. Very simple. So directly you will get f value. So this is also a very simple question. So this is output. Okay, you may use or write output. Now ninth question. Very simple. So in this problem, find the slope of the straight line at the point uh, 1 2 with intercept y equals to intercept equals to 3. Now what is the formula? Suppose y equals to mx plus c. See here, x value is given, y value is given, c value, we have to find the m value. So how to find m value? M equals to y minus c by x. So give x value, y value, c value, initialize, then find the m value. So now what is the procedure here? Okay, I will write Matlab code. Okay, so first x value, initialize x value, x equals to 1. Okay, use small letters, otherwise you will get the wrong answer because it is case sensitive. Because it is case sensitive, use only smaller cases or upper cases, then no problem entirely. Now c equals to 3. Now m equals to y minus c divided by x. Okay, then we will find the value. Slope, this is nothing but slope. I will write slope, S L O P E, slope. Okay. Now go to software. Now type the 3 values, initialize, then slope equals to, so directly slope equals to, you will get -1. Very simple. Slope equals to -1. Okay. So caps is not required. Okay. This is also very simple question. 10th question. Now this is not a big question. Everything is given. A monthly payment M. Okay. M is we have to find the monthly payment. Mortgage P. P is nothing but mortgage. N is the number of years with fixed annual interest rate R. So all are given. So formula is given. Determine the monthly payment of 30 years. Rupees mortgage amount is this one, and the interest rate is this one. So find the m value. Very easy. So Matlab code. Matlab code. Okay. So first p value. Okay, p equals to whatever it may be, write the value without commas. P50000. Okay, semicolon. Then small r equals to rate of interest equals to 4.2. Okay, then no problem. Use semicolon. Now n equals to 30 years. Okay, fine, semicolon. Now write m value. Capital M equals to P into, now R by 10, use bracket, R by 10, R by 12. Okay, I will close the bracket. Then again bracket 1 plus R by 12. Okay, power bracket 12 into n, close the bracket. This is entirely numerator. Okay, divided by, now write in brackets. Okay, use starting bracket and ending bracket. That's why you will get the without error you will get the answer. Now coming to inside bracket 1 plus R by 12 power 12 into n, okay, -1. Okay, closing, everything is closed. Just we will calculate the value. Very easy question. So look like big one, but not very big one. So So, first value is this one, now second value. Now we will evaluate mortgage amount. So, you will get some value. Okay. We will change the formats. We will later with 16 decimal points or 10 decimal points. Later we will discuss how to change the format. Okay. Yeah. So, directly you will get the monthly payment M value. Okay. This is about very simple concept. So, up to this exercise 1, so just we are used Matlab as a calculator. So, in the next class, okay, now in the next lecture, continuation of lecture, we will discuss about very important concept, vectors and matrices. Okay. So, meet again. So, if you have any doubts, then ask me. So, my email ID narashimham@yahoo.com. My WhatsApp number 9866278504. Okay, if you have any doubts, then contact me. So in the next lecture, we will discuss about most important concept, vectors and matrices. So, because of lengthy video, I will stop here. Okay, don't worry. We will discuss vectors and matrices in the next lecture. Thank you very much. Meet again.